Emmanuel, every day you must give people money. But you don't give money to those who ask for it. You just give.
That's okay.
Emmanuel.
All right. So when I see that girl where they cry, on my last video, I said no matter how men use beg you, proving to be you are the love of their life, don't get pregnant out of wedlock. So when I see how that girl they cry, the thing wey dey mad me be say I go her comment section and I dey see comment like I dey see comment dem wey be like say e dey surprise me. See the kind comment dem wey I dey see. When I dey see the kind comment dem wey I dey see for the comment section o, im follow girl na im dey tell her those kind thing. Women are something else. A man go just tell you say he love you, blah 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 blah, and he go open leg for am. He go turn you to baby mama. He go turn you to baby mama. Now look at how you're suffering. Where that guy dey now, he dey enjoy him life. He dey live happily with another girl, and you're here shedding tears because you're stupid and you're carried away. If you claim that you love me, why can't you see my paper? Why will you get me pregnant? Is that a sign of love? I know say love dey sweet o, but you have to protect yourself so that you no go cry like this girl. So that you will not cry like this girl.